Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. PM Modi launches Odisha's SWATHA scheme and releases the first installment of Rs 3,180 crore under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Grami. AAP announces Atishi as Delhi's new Chief Minister following unanimous Legislative Party vote. Meghalaya launches SWATHA Hi Seva 2024 campaign with emphasis on community engagement and cleanliness initiatives. Vishwak Puja celebrated with enthusiasm and devotion across Shillong. Devotees gather for idol installation, puja and offerings. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, on his 74th birthday today, launched the Odisha government's flagship women-centric initiative, Subhadra Yojana. He also dedicated new railway and national highway projects. The railway projects are valued at Rs 2,800 crore, while national highways projects exceed Rs 1,000 crore. Additionally, the Prime Minister also released the first installment of Rs 3,180 crore under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, benefiting nearly 10 lakh people across 14 states. The birthday of the Prime Minister was marked by a vibrant traditional welcome at Biju Patnaik International Airport, featuring tribal dances and drum beats. The Aam Aadmi Party has announced that Atishi will be the Chief Minister of Delhi. This decision came after a legislative party meeting held in New Delhi, where Atishi was unanimously elected as the leader of the AAP Legislative Party. City Minister Gopal Rai confirmed that Atishi will serve as Chief Minister until the next Assembly elections, anticipated between October and November this year. The change in leadership is expected to impact the upcoming political landscape in Delhi.
केजरीवाल जी ने मुझ पे भरोसा किया, मुझे विधायक बनाया, मुझे मंत्री बनाया और आज मुख्यमंत्री बनने की जिम्मेदारी दी है। मुझे सुख, मैं खुश हूँ कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने मुझ पे इतना भरोसा किया है। लेकिन जितना सुख आज मेरे मन में है, आज उससे बहुत ज्यादा दुख भी मेरे मन में है। दुख इसलिए कि दिल्ली के लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री मेरे बड़े भाई अरविंद केजरीवाल जी आज इस्तीफा दे रहे हैं। मैं आज ये जरूर कहना चाहती हूँ आम आदमी पार्टी के सभी विधायकों की तरफ से, दिल्ली की 2 करोड़ जनता की तरफ से, कि दिल्ली का एक ही मुख्यमंत्री है और उस मुख्यमंत्री का नाम अरविंद केजरीवाल है।
Deputy Chief Minister Sngyaw Bhalang Dhar launched the SWATHA Hi Seva 2024 campaign in Shillong, running from September 17 to October 2nd. This year's theme, Swabhav Swachhta, Sanskar Swachhta, focuses on collective action and citizen involvement in cleanliness initiatives. Dhar emphasized the importance of community participation to make the campaign successful. He also announced plans to meet with deputy commissioners and block development officers to discuss strategies for maintaining cleanliness in local areas. The campaign aims to reinforce the spirit of public engagement in sanitation efforts.
Of the country. It's for the beauty, it's for the environment, it's for the feeling if there is no cleanliness. I'm thankful to the government of India which has been provided by the government of Meghalaya. So much support, even through PAT, through urban, through different programs in order to make all the households, especially in rural areas, we should have toilet all. And now the days and the time has come. It seems that it's not enough only to have toilet. It's time for us to have also to maintain cleanliness, which is very, very important in our life.
Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam Sangma announced the formation of a fact-finding committee to address several critical issues in the state schools. The committee will investigate low enrollment rates, the presence of proxy teachers, and the condition of school infrastructure. Sangma acknowledged that the state's education system, especially at the lower primary level, is struggling and needs significant improvement. High dropout rates and poor teacher performance are contributing to the problem. The committee's finding will guide future policy decisions to enhance educational outcomes in Meghalaya.
Request every stakeholders, every teachers, every businessman, every students, friends, anybody, be church leaders, be any NGO leaders, just to encourage, not only with the program. I would urge them, request them to encourage any dropout students to come back to the school. Right now, if you see any beautiful boy and a girl, if she don't know how to write, how to sign, it will be very, very embarrassment to her and to him. Because I think education is not only about a job, but it is only about how to learning how to live. So there are many. It is not about the government job. If you educated people knows the way.
Cabinet Minister Rakam Sangma has urged a cow vigilante group to cancel their planned rally in Shillong aimed at advocating a ban on cow slaughter. Sangma criticized the group as extremists and accused them of lacking in understanding of India's constitution and cultural diversity. He defended beef consumption as part of tribal traditions and claimed that the rally's intent was to create societal divisions. Sangma argued that such actions could lead to communal tensions and disrupt the harmony of local communities.
Brought by some MP are told leader to notice the late P.A. Sangma during that time has depended. What is it? Killing a beef may hurt the sentiment of some religion or some community. But not killing the beef again, not killing the cow also, hurt the sentiments, our tribals, population or cyber community, the belief and the practice. Because the beef, eating of beef is a part and parcel of our tribal culture, our festival, right? So I think these people should read constitutions well. I think I would advise the people be trained well how to read what is said in the constitution. I think they are not fit to be Indians. Those guys who are doing all this drama, all this tamasa, they are not fit to be Indians.
NPP leader Rakam Sangma has indicated that the Gambray by-election will primarily be a battle between his party and the TMC. He described Congress as weak and outdated, suggesting that voting for Congress would place the constituency's MLA in the opposition. Sangma noted that many Congress and TMC leaders have already joined NPP in anticipation of the polls. He believes the current situation in Gambray is favourable for NPP, reflecting a strong position as the election approaches.
I've attended about 9 to 10 campaign locations at the different places of Gambray, but it's very, very wonderful and very inspired to see people coming in support of NPP. But look like, I also don't know, but looks like, because the politician knows what's happened, but looks like, I think the contest is between the NPP and the TMC. As of now, looks like the contest is between NPP and the TMC. But election is election, every party is very important, because Congress doesn't have the future. Look, you have the testimony that 3 sitting MLA joined the ruling government. Congress become emptied. So therefore, I think there is no future, there is no hope in the Congress. Forget about others. Sitting MLAs shifted the shift to other party. Forget about the people voting back to the Congress. So.
The BJP is preparing to contest the Gambray by-election independently, aiming to expand its influence in Meghalaya. Senior BJP leader and Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek confirmed that the state unit will move forward with this strategy, pending final approval from the party's central leadership. Hek expressed confidence in the party's ability to secure a win, despite concerns about the Hindutva narrative potentially affecting its prospects. He emphasized that the BJP's national presence and track record in northeastern states bolster its chances of victory.
Development, more project. At least if we have our own people there, then we can, tell the center also to give maximum whatever it will be possible through the state government for the development of not only Gambray, but the whole state of Meghalaya. I'm telling you, BJP have their own identity. BJP is the country is ruling by BJP. In many northeastern states also is ruling by the BJP. What is wrong to get the one seat also in Gambray if we work very hard? It depends only on the national leadership. If they come all together, we went on the state leadership, we campaign for our official candidate, and we will try our best to make it win.
Thieves broke into the Deputy Commissioner's office in West Giant Hills early on September 16, stealing important items, including internet and electricity wires. The incident occurred at dawn and the robbers caused significant significant damage estimated at rupees 1 lakh before escaping through repair windows. The office, a key administrative hub, was targeted due to its crucial documents and equipment. The district police responded promptly, initiating a thorough investigation and registering a case at the Jawai police station. Minister A.L. Hegg announced that the central government is advancing plans for establishing a Feedmill, veterinary college and hospital in Meghalaya. These projects aim to address the state's current reliance on costly external feed sources and improve agricultural practices. The feed mill will help provide subsidized feed to local farmers. Hegg also revealed ongoing efforts to enhance the state's agricultural support through various schemes, including the CM Elevate program. The central government's commitment will address the rising costs of poultry and support farmer self-sufficiency.
The veterinary college, already we have identified the land, already we have submitted the proposal to the government of India. So this one we want that the government of India immediately is the need of the hour for the state of Meghalaya to have our own veterinary college. The hospital. So now we're coming to the college also. So the same also we propose the veterinary college there at Kandamkola. So this one also the concept note already sent to the government of India. So now we'll be going to be ready with all the DPR and everything which is required by the government of India to submit to get this very important for the state of Meghalaya. Feedmill, veterinary college and veterinary hospital.
In response to rising youth unemployment, the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society organized an overseas job fair in Shillong. The event, held at the State Convention Centre, aimed to connect skilled local workers with international job opportunities. Health Minister Dr. M. Amparin Lingdor highlighted the challenges faced by Meghalaya's young population, noting that 37% are under 35 years old and face limited local job prospects. The government remains committed to creating employment opportunities and addressing the unemployment crisis.
About this problem, we understand that there will be criticisms that will be coming from various quarters, questioning government, why are you sending citizens to different countries and different parts of India? Why are you not able to do that in your own state? Amidst all the problems that we have, lack of industries, lack of companies coming to the state of Meghalaya, lack of good salaries to pay and offer our citizens. Government will take this criticism, but we will take action also. This is what this job fair is all about.
Sports Minister Shaklyar Warjri reviewed preparations for the Meghalaya Games 2025, scheduled to be hosted in West Jaintia Hills. The meeting included local MLA Wailat Miki Shilla, the Meghalaya State Olympic Association and other stakeholders. Warjri emphasized the Games' potential to nurture local sports talent and provide income opportunities for youth. He also discussed the inclusion of sports for individuals with disabilities to ensure broad participation. The review aimed to ensure that all logistical and organizational aspects are well prepared for the event.
Kani ka Meghalaya Games kung anong haturaru kanong ka success kung objektif ni pelong kani ka Meghalaya Games na komentaki kung sa melaju ka selagi jumi ki athletes ki tam ki youth jumi ki bedan dia kataka jeng angngot bakin long bri man bri bakin kiu tam ko bai di berka sports dengan scam ba lingba ka kini ki initiative kini ki kum ka Meghalaya Games ke baka sarkar kelas tang muklatib Honorable Chief Minister Jungiru la keren ya ka bangin pelong ka Meghalaya Games man snem.
Vishwakarma Puja, a significant festival honoring Lord Vishwakarma, the divine architect, was celebrated with great enthusiasm and devotion in Shillong and its surrounding areas. The festivities began with the installation of Lord Vishwakarma's idol, followed by puja, archana and offerings to the deity. Devotees gathered at various pandals and temples across the city to pay homage to the Lord. And now the weather report. The minimum temperature was recorded at 16.6 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 23.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 83%, while in the evening was 92%. rainfall was recorded at 12.5 millimeter. The forecast states that light to moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at many places. And now, before we end the news, the headlines once again. PM Modi launches Odisha's Subhadra scheme and releases the first installment of Rs 3,180 crore under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. AAP announces Atishi as Delhi's new Chief Minister following unanimous Legislative Party vote. Meghalaya launches SWATHA Hi Seva 2024 campaign with emphasis on community engagement and cleanliness initiatives. And Vishwak Puja celebrated with enthusiasm and devotion across Shillong. Devotees gather for idol installation, puja and offerings. Well, viewers, we have come to the end of the news. Thank you for watching and good night.